Bangalore is called the Silicon Valley of India, as the software boom continues to attract fortune seekers from all over the country. Bangalore is the third most populous city in India. One of the casualties of this boom has been the city's transport system. One needs to travel at odd hours to get a respite from these milling crowds. One day, for my usual journey back to Mysore, I tried the Thoothukudi Express that starts from Bangalore City Junction at 6 am. The train was virtually empty but for a few passengers who were still in the sleeping mood. I could for the first time peacefully photograph the scenes that I saw outside. Within 15 to 20 minutes of journey, the train enters into Ramanagara district. Ramanagara is situated in a valley surrounded by rocky hillocks on Bangalore-Mysore highway. It is famous for its silk market, giving it the other name of Silk Town. It is also famous for some of the world's oldest granite outcrops. It was in this region the path-breaking Hindi movie Sholay was shot. From Ramanagaram district, the train enters into Mandya district. It is the land of sugar and rice and is a prominent agricultural district. Blessed with the irrigation waters of river Kaveri and Hemavati, half of the district countryside is lush in various hues of green throughout the year. Mandya district is one of the most agriculturally prosperous districts in Karnataka. But before this, Mandya was termed as a desert. With the advent of irrigation from the K.R. Sagar reservoir during the time of Sir Sri Visvesvaraya, there was substantially marked transformation in cropping pattern, composition of crop, better grown yield level, ultimately leading to better economic conditions of the people. The train's next destination is Srirangapatna. This town in Mandya district, located very near to the city of Mysore, is of great religious and cultural importance. The entire town is enclosed by the river Kaveri to form a river island. The town takes its name from the celebrated Ranganatha Swami temple, which dominates the town, making it one of the most important Vaishnavite centers of pilgrimage in South India. Tradition holds that all the islands formed in Kaveri river are consecrated to Ranganatha Swami, and large temples have been built in very ancient times dedicated to that deity on the three largest islands. The presence of Kaveri river is itself considered auspicious and sanctifying. From Srirangapatna, the train enters its last destination, the city of Mysore. It is the second largest city in Karnataka. It is called the city of palaces because of several ornate examples in the city. It is also referred to as the cultural capital of Karnataka. Situated in the southern part of the Deccan Plateau, Mysore district is in an undulating tableland, covered in parts by granites and fringed by the verdant forest. From ancient times, this district has played a significant role in the history of South India. The city is located between two rivers, the Kaveri river that flows through the north of the city and the Kabini river, a tributary of the Kaveri. lies to the south.